I have been using QuickBooks Online for many years now, and I'm not a power user, but I use it regularly every week, almost every day, pretty much. For myself, though, I've been using something else for the past 3+ years. This is it. It's Wave. I'm going to show you how to reconcile things in here. Let's go to transactions. You can see some of my big spending lately. As long as you have one account selected right here, you can just click reconciliation right there. You come over here, you select your statement date, you go over to your bank and you get how much money is on that statement. I've already got that, 53,1173. I know, high roller. Select reconcile, and you know what? It is going to just go through everything for you automatically if you want it to, which I do, because unlike QuickBooks Online, Wave's automatic stuff actually works 100% of the time that I've used it. QuickBooks Online has this crazy stuff where it can't even match up the simplest of transactions sometimes when you click that match button. I don't know. It's happened to me every time that they roll out a big update. It happened again here in third quarter of 2025 when they rolled out that big UI change. I've just been not pleased. Anyway, I am pleased with Wave. That's how easy it is to reconcile. It's done. It did it for me. Reconciled through September the 30th. Bada boom, bada bang. I like Wave. Not affiliated with them in any way. I don't think you can be. They don't have any of those affiliate programs. I just like them a lot. Check them out if you need some sort of accounting online software, especially if you're a small business or a consultant or a freelancer like I am myself. Have a great one and goodbye.